He's the leading scorer of all players averaging fewer than 21 minutes a game.
JaVale McGee.
He kind of fell into him, a little dangerous.
The lob. Oh, man. Come on, JaVale McGee. Steph catch and shoot three. Yes, sir. Durant over Beasley.
Or Moutier. They'll get a bucket from either one.
Durant's just taking over here.
This feels like an ABA game.
Draymond just banked in a three.
That's a nice drop off. That's going to be a tough shot.
Oh, and JaVale made it anyway.
Well, the Knicks field goal percentage is dropping precipitously.
Curry inside. Filipina can play. Steph with a little leaner. How about a 4-point play opportunity? Clay taking Lance Thomas, and he'll set up Iguodala. You ever see Clay drive and dish like this? This is nice.